The dollar index on the weekly chart closed on a support zone. So long we have price close on this support zone, we will be expecting the dollar index to resume its uptrend movement, because the normal structure of the dollar index still remain uptrend, because we have a lower low, higher low, higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, so we still expect the dollar index to push to this region before we look at our buying opportunity. We set price to push to this level, then we look at a buying opportunity to the top side for the dollar index. So let's look at the daily chart of the dollar index. On the daily chart, we can see that we have a downtrend structure, which is higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So long we have series of lower high on the daily chart, it shows that the dollar index still on what downtrend of the daily chart. But we want to trade a reversal on the dollar index. So we have a strong support level here. This support level was a support that turned towards resistance, and also a strong support on the weekly chart also. So we expect the dollar index to do a retest of this level, then we'll be looking for a buying opportunity around this area to this level. Then our second entry will be looking for a buying opportunity around this area again to the top side. So look for buying opportunity on the dollar index this week. Let's look at our next pair, which is the Gbpusd USD. The Gbpusd USD on my weekly chart closed on a resistance level. You can see that we have price closed on this resistance level, and we also have a false breakout at this level. So long price closed on this weekly resistance level and we have a false breakout, this will be my best setup this week. I'll be looking for a selling opportunity on the Gbpusd USD. Let's look at the trend of the Gbpusd USD. On the weekly chart, you can see that we have a downtrend structure, which is we have a series of lower high. So long we have this series of lower high, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity on the Gbpusd USD this week. So let's look at the daily chart of the Gbpusd USD. On my daily chart, you can see that we also have price close on a significant level here, which is a resistance level. When we have price close on this resistance level, we are expecting the Gbpusd USD to drop from this level. So we are expecting Gbpusd USD to drop from this level with our target on the next weekly support level. So if we are selling from this level, our target will be the next weekly support level on the weekly chart, which is our major turning point on the weekly chart, which is this level I mark. So look for a selling opportunity on the Gbpusd USD this coming week. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Euro USD. Euro USD on my weekly chart still remain downtrend. We have a downtrend structure on the weekly chart. The only way we can look at a buying scenario on the Euro USD is when we see price close above this region. We look at a test before we look at buying continuation. So long we see have this series of lower high, we still remain on a downtrend on Euro USD. So long we have this downtrend structure and price close on this resistance level, look for a selling opportunity on Euro USD this coming week. But before we sell, we wait for price to close below this level, then we look for a test, then we see we continue to sell the Euro USD on the weekly chart. So let's look at the daily chart of the Euro USD. On my daily chart, you can see we have a lower low, higher low, higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, we expect price to push higher. But currently we are currently on a critical area, which is a strong resistance. We have a resistance level at this level. So all we need on Euro USD now, we expect price to do a change of trend on Euro USD. All we need on Euro USD, we expect price to do a change of trend by closing below this level for look at our selling opportunity towards to the downside. So look for selling opportunity on the Euro USD this coming week. So the next pair we're looking at now, we're looking at the Australia USD. Australia USD on my weekly chart closed above a resistance level. Price converted this resistance into support. So long we have price converted this resistance into support, we will be looking for price retest of this level, then we see price pushing higher for the Australia USD. Let's look at the daily chart of the Australia USD. On my daily chart, you can see that we have a series of higher lows. So long we have a series of higher lows, we expect price to continue to push higher for the Australia USD. So look for a buying opportunity on this resistance zone, which is a resistance that turns to support. Look for a buying opportunity around this area for you to buy the Australia USD back to the top. So let's look at our next pair, which is the USD-JPY. USD-JPY on my weekly chart still remain uptrend. You can see we have a series of higher low on the USD-JPY. So long the trend of the USD-JPY has a series of higher low, it shows that USD-JPY still remain on the uptrend. So our look on the USD-JPY now will be so long we have price on this support level, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity on the USD-JPY this week, with our first target at this next resistance level and the next target with this other resistance level. So let's look at the daily chart of the USD-JPY. On the daily chart, we have a series of lower high. So long we have this series of lower high on the daily chart, price will remain on a downtrend. But what we have on the daily chart now, we also have price with this level, which is a very key level. Price close on this support level. So long price close on this support level, we are expecting price reversal from this support level. Now we now have a lower low and what a higher low. How do you confirm this low now? We're waiting for price action candlestick opportunity around this level for us to buy the USD-JPY on the daily chart. So once we find the price action candlestick on this level, I might be making video on it this week for the buying opportunity. So I'll be making a post also this week on the USD-JPY on the buying opportunity this week. So you can follow up on our updates this week. And if you want us to analyze any pair also, you can leave it in the comment section. We'll make analysis on that, any pair you want us to analyze on. So let's look at our next pair, which is the gold USD. Gold USD on my weekly chart still remain uptrend. You can see that we have a series of higher low. We have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, we expect gold USD to continue to push higher this week. All we need on the gold USD, we have a significant area here, which is this previous resistance level. This previous resistance level, we need price to do a retest of this level before we look at our buying opportunity. All we need on gold USD, we expect price to come to a retracement back to this zone. Then we're looking for a buying opportunity on the daily chart from this resistance zone to the top side. So let's look at the daily chart of the gold USD. On my daily chart, we can see that price closed above this high, because price shift, there's a shift in price on the daily chart here previously. Then you can see that price has closed above this high. So long price closed above this high, we expect price to do a retest of this zone. Then we're looking for a price action candlestick set up from this zone back to the top side for the gold USD. So look for a buying opportunity on gold USD on this weekly resistance zone. The only way we can look for a selling scenario on gold USD is when we see price close below this level. Then we look for a selling opportunity on this level back to the downside. So look for your buying opportunity on gold USD on this resistance zone, except to see price below it for look for a selling opportunity. If you find this weekly analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.